Happy February 19th, guys. I'm Luke W, and I want to bring you guys a little bit of Monday motivation. First off, because it's my birthday today, and I think now is a great time to give you a 1-year outlook and kind of progress report on where I've come from last year in February to now where I am today. As you guys know, I've only started my whole entrepreneurship mindset and business within this last year. I only started selling on Amazon in June, but it started a few months before that, back in February, on the 28th actually. I woke up February 28th, it was a nice snowy day, and right now it's could be doing the same thing because it's about below 30 degrees outside right now. Whoo, it's nippy. But let me tell you guys, I woke up and I saw an ad for Tai Lopez's social media marketing course on Facebook. So I saw this. He suckered me into it. I bought his $1,000 course, and I literally took that and learned how to make small businesses have a really cool presence on social media and basically to drive clients into their places of business. So I saw that there was a great opportunity to make money with this, because you can imagine a dentist doesn't have time to build an Instagram page and build testimonials and Facebook pages of their clients, driving more customers in to show that this dentist really is a great dentist. So going to businesses like that could really make you a nice sum of money. You can get $2,000 a month for managing someone's social media if it's going to get them more clients in. So I took a venture with that, started watching YouTube videos. That's when I came across Hayden Peddle, Ryan Hildreth, and these were two of the main guys I was watching with social media marketing. Now, watching them on YouTube was like, these guys are doing it really cool. They're growing a following really fast. And it wasn't long after I did the social media marketing where I was actually approached by someone at my recreation center at the gym. And he was telling me, hey, you look like a good looking kid and all this stuff. And he basically got me to check him out and get into this kind of multi-level marketing thing. This was on March 3rd, so just a few days after I took this social media marketing course. I got in with him, and he didn't pay for anything or actually get involved in this type of business, this multi-level marketing thing, but I followed with these guys what they were doing, and I learned this mindset of you can be free, you can do this, get financial freedom. And that really paved the way for me to see that this kind of stuff is possible. So with doing this Tai Lopez social media marketing and then being surrounded by life-like real people and going to all these meetings twice a week about how to be financially free, it kind of really honed in my mindset. And I didn't really think I wanted to go be a news reporter like I was set out to do in college. So shortly after this, I picked up a job. I was working as a server. And pretty much I broke my leg. If you guys know my story, I broke my leg skateboarding and came across Tanner J. Fox on YouTube. Ryan Hildreth introduced him on his channel, and Tanner was saying, what's up? I make 10K a month selling on Amazon, so I'm going to make a course. And I literally bought this guy's course on April 26th. And at that point, I had said bye to the multi-level marketing prospects that were trying to get me under their wing. And with this, I would have to go tell people, hey, you should get in this too and pay $300 a month. And if I got a bunch of people under me, it's kind of like a pyramid. But what I did from here was take the Amazon course. On April 26th, I had found a product just a couple weeks after that. I went super hardcore, did so much research on YouTube, and pretty much found a product and got it into the Amazon warehouse on June 1st. And that's when I made my first sale of my neodymium magnets. That was my first product. You can search that if you guys have Jungle Scout. Type in neodymium magnets on Amazon, run Jungle Scout, and you'll see just crazy sales for these still to this day. But it is a bit more competitive, that market right now. But after that, I realized, hey, I'm making money in my sleep. And this is what I really wanted to share with you guys, okay? So I started my YouTube channel May 21st. This is when, and my first video I shot right here, sitting right here. Okay, so I made my first video. It was a review on Tanner Fox's Amazon Seller Mastery course. So I did this review, and a lot of people were interested. And why I started the YouTube channel in the first place was because I saw other people that have taken Tanner's course. they started making reviews of his course and then say, if you want to buy it, you can buy it with the link right below. And every time someone did that, they made $100 because they have an affiliate link for Tanner's course. I thought, I can do a review video and people might buy the course through me. And the first day after I made that review video, I got two course sales. I made $200, woke up the next day, and 2 emails came in and said 2 people bought this course. I was so freaking hyped, and I knew that YouTube was a huge thing that I needed to keep going. So over that month of June, I made 15 sales altogether. So $1,500 in Amazon course sales just from Tanner's course alone. That was amazing for me, and I realized that this is really something that I want to continue doing. So after that, now I've been scaling up YouTube, making constant videos and looking into Amazon and doing more product research, getting more products. My 2 big goals now are just get better products in Amazon and build the course that I'm planning to do in March of my own, which is going to be a lot less expensive than kind of Tanner's course, but I'm going to provide the same and even more amount of content, and I will be there for you guys a lot more and help you guys out more than just a 1 or 2 word reply like was pretty kind of common with Tanner actually. So after all this, I saw the power of YouTube. I hopped on it. I started doing it, even in the 30-degree weather we're out here. But really what happens now after this step, I started getting hit up by a ton of people, and then they were asking me questions. How do I do this? How do I do this? And I started answering all these questions, and it made me a much smarter Amazon seller of my own because I saw all the other problems that people were having, and I was able to work with them to see how we could find a solution, and that would help me out as well as them at the same time. So from this point, I literally, as of recently, I got flown out to California, if you guys have seen my latest videos, and I started helping my buddies selling big ticket items. And they've reached out to me just yesterday. They've made about 3 or 4 sales of their products, and they're making $500 or $600 every time they sell 1 item so far. So this is huge for them. It's huge for me to see that I can actually help people in Amazon and they can become financially independent on their own. This is my goal, to make you guys financially independent with making money online. Okay, so we can do this together, guys. If you haven't subscribed, follow this journey, guys, because I'm trying to relate to you guys in the fact that I'm new to this too. I'm brand new. This has not even been a full year yet. But I mean, today's my birthday. I wanted to bring you guys kind of a little bit of excitement and just be like, yo, in 1 year I've done this, and I was working a job. If you guys have your 9 to 5 right now, work the 9 to 5, but if you're really passionate and you want to become obsessed with this kind of thing and making money online, invest in a course. Like, that's what I did. It walked me through everything, and pretty much I was able to learn and be involved with a Facebook group of a bunch of other Amazon sellers who were brand new beginners just like me, and we'd have older mentors who were veterans in this Amazon business, and they would help us out. So this is all I really want to tell you guys to do. If you haven't taken action, just do it, man. Like, I learned that all these millionaires, these multi-millionaires, they are the ones that take action right away. When they have an idea, they do it right away. And I've tried to be really doing that a lot more now. So my friends showed me a really cool big guy on Instagram, and I shot him a DM right away. I said, hey man, I feel like you'd be a great fit. I'd love to have you come interview on my channel. I don't care if he doesn't get back to me, but I know that I've sent that message out, so I don't have to worry about it. If he doesn't get back, that's fine, but I would have never known if I didn't send that message. And Tanner Fox, he's always said, I'm a guy that I do my research, and when I find an opportunity, boom, I pull that trigger right away. And taking action as fast as you guys can when you're certain about something is key. Like the whole cryptocurrency, when Bitcoin's out and it just fell down at $5,000 not too long ago. It's already back up to $10,000. But literally, if I saw and I had money ready, I could have thrown it right there when I knew this is not going to go too much lower than this. It's got to go back up. And literally having that research and knowing that if I put money in now and take action, it's probably going to grow. But I mean, crypto's kind of a sketchy little biz. It's not even a business, but it's an investment gamble. So focusing on Amazon FBA is the way I'm going to be doing it for the rest of my journey here. Amazon FBA, I'm going to be bringing you guys more content on how you can improve your own Amazon business. I just had someone reach out to me on LinkedIn that was literally, he found my account. I just put down, I'm an Amazon seller on LinkedIn, and this guy reached out to me from Virginia Beach, and he's in his 50s, and he wants to learn Amazon from me personally and have me mentor him for a fee. So these things are insane, guys. The more you put your name out there that you're doing this on different platforms, people are going to find you. And if you put videos out, they're going to see you in person and think you're more credible, that they can actually see you and hear you talk. So this is all I kind of wanted to say to you guys. I'm freezing out here, but it's my birthday, February 19th. I just turned 25 years old today. This is the age that Grant Cardone said, man, I was just smoking dope and drinking booze and partying up until I was 25, and then boom, it hit me. I need to start balling out. So this guy at 25 years old started learning how to increase his income every month by doing more work that would bring him more income. So this is going to be a huge year, guys. I hope you guys stick around for the journey. I got more trips planned. I think I'm going to be going to Costa Rica here in April. But, I mean, this is the life when you guys can work from home and you don't have a freaking boss telling you what to do. You guys can travel the world, make money from your phone wherever you're at. I mean, this is the life. I want you guys to come kick it with me. We're going to be kicking it in Washington State, man. It's freezing. I'm freezing my ass off out here. But thank you guys so much for watching. It's not too informative of a video, but I just wanted to give you guys a little video today, get you a little amped up, and just keep you guys nice and stoked up by the fire. So that's all I want to bring to you guys. If you like the video and you're happy it's my birthday, drop a comment, drop a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next video, where I promise I'll bring you guys some more value. All right? Peace.